Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering devices and confirming basics. Charge the headset for at least 30 minutes so pairing won't fail midway. Once charged, insert the Hyperx USB dongle into your PC or console port. Use a USB-C adapter if necessary. Now turn the headset on and hold the power button until the LED blinks. This triggers pairing mode. Do this immediately so the dongle can detect the headset. If the LED stays solid, toggle off and repeat the long press to force pairing. Once the dongle flashes and the headset LED syncs, give your computer a few seconds to install drivers automatically. That's why you waited to pair. After installation, open sound settings and set Hyperx as both default playback and input devices so audio routes correctly. If you use Windows, open Device Manager and confirm a USB audio or Hyperx device appears. This verifies driver registration. If you see conflicts, unplug and reinsert the dongle and repeat pairing. The sequence ensures clean driver handshake. You finish by testing audio and mic. Play media to verify playback and speak to confirm mic capture and side tone. Make sure to adjust headset volume and system volume separately and enable surround sound or EQ in the Hyperx software if you need tailored audio. If audio fails, repair the headset, restart your computer, or move the dongle to another USB port. Sometimes ports lack power. As a last quick fix, reset the dongle by holding its button if present and repeat the pairing sequence. That usually resolves stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.